Welcome to this video about the LeadsGO ACT functionality. So this is something that is now merged into one mobile app, and it's enabled on an account by account basis. So some accounts do not have ACT enabled because they are using their own CRM, while the default is that ACT is enabled and is provided in the mobile app in the same way as the collector functionality. So let's go to the mobile app. As you see here, there is a separate video on how to install and set up the LeadsGO mobile app, and that can be downloaded from both Apple and Google Play Store. So just look at the other video for that. In order to see leads that are assigned to you, you go to View My Leads, and then at the bottom you see the collector, which is the default view. And then you also have a possibility to see the ACT. So you just click on ACT and then you're switched over to all the leads that are assigned to you. And you also see the title switching, showing ACT leads, and I have 11 leads that are assigned to me for qualification and sales. So from this you can just select one of the leads. You can select this and then see the details on that lead, the history and who created it and the quality, etc. And from here you can either edit the lead that I will just show after this. You can send a copy of that lead information to your email, or you can provide feedback on it to back office. So I can just look at edit that lead. So this lead is in qualification. So you can change and start sales, for example. So you just switch to sales here, or you can advise to drop the lead, or you can say that, okay, this is a loss, or you can say it's a win. So let's say that this was in qualification and you start the sales process. And then you define what's the likelihood of closing this lead. So let's say that it's likely, more than 6%. And you can also estimate the value of this lead, for example, 8,500, and say current status, or add a note to it, for example, in dialogue with the client on this one. And that's basically it. So you can just press save on that, lead successfully saved, and then go back to the edit screen and get an update on that. See this status changed to shared for sales. You have the value entered here and the probability, and also the history is updated. And all this is also available to back office users in the web solution. And then you can also send this information to yourself. So this just triggers an email with all this information that is sent to your email account. You can also go into a very simplistic feedback page where you have some predefined options. Will qualify lead, will start process with customer, have started process with customer, etc. And then you can also add some text under here to that feedback, and then press save to add this as a note and a message on that given lead. So you can also see that this now is added as the notes here, and also the history is updated. So this is basically a walkthrough of the ACT functionality of the LeadsGO mobile app. So we can just go back to the main screen. Just to recap, you go to View My Leads, you press the ACT functionality at the bottom to see all the leads that are assigned to you. You can refresh it, and then basically you pick the lead that you want to work on. You can edit it, you can send a copy to yourself, or you can provide feedback to it. So that's basically a quick walkthrough of the ACT functionality in the mobile app. And also keep in mind that the ACT functionality, although implemented a bit differently, is also available in the web solution. So just go to leadsgo.com, sign in with the same username and password, and you have access to also ACT functionality from within the web solution. So happy hunting and happy closing of leads. Thank you.